Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of This versus That. Today, we're gonna see if some of our APS-C lenses will fit on the a7III. That's right. We're talking about buying cheap APS-C lens to put on your a7III to see if it works. I was wondering this myself, and so I'm sure that other people are wondering about it too. So, let's roll that intro. Alright guys, welcome back. So let's do some testing, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like using a cheaper lenses on a full frame camera. So this lens is made for APS-C, which is like a non-full frame sensor. This one I bought for my a6500. I'm going to use it on the a7III. Alright, and I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. Alright guys, so right now I have a Sigma 16mm f1.4. Love this lens, awesome low lights. I love it on my a6500. It gave me a lot of good image quality. So I really wanted to use this lens on the a7III. So let's give it a try. That's a nice tight snap right there. Yeah. It works really good. So the first thing that's going to happen is that the camera itself, the a7III, is going to recognize that this is not a full frame lens. So it's going to go into this mode called like a crop mode. So basically it turns this camera into an APS-C camera. So right now, essentially, this is the same as shooting on like an a6500. So once you pop these lenses on, the sensor is going to tell the camera that, hey, you know what, this is not a full frame lens, so, and all that good stuff. You can go in here and manually change it out to say don't change to APS-C mode, and it'll act like it's a regular camera, but it's going to give you this vignetting. And so I don't know how to explain it other than so here's a hole. So here's a hole right here. This is the hole. This is the lens hole. But your APS-C, the hole is not a good example. Anyway, the sensor is this big, the hole is this big, and so you're gonna get some vignetting around it. Okay, just know that. We're just gonna look at some image quality, okay? All right, so let's play with it. So right here. So because this is a 16mm lens, I believe the crop sensor in equivalent 35mm is about 24mm. So there you go. I'm gonna get some image of that. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tell the camera, hey, don't change to APS-C. Just leave it full frame. So right now, same lens, 16mm, but the camera APS-C is turned off. So now it's shooting at full frame sensor right now on a smaller lens. Okay, that's good. Boom, done. All right, guys. So that is the 16mm. What I'm gonna do is I am going to swap this lens out. And show you guys one more lens. Okay. All right. So this is a 35mm. It's gonna be a little bit more zoomed in, so let's get that one to test. Okay, so I have not changed the mode back to APS-C yet, so I'm going to leave it full frame and record. So as you can see there in the image, it It has that big vignetting that you're seeing there. Most people, they shoot like this, and then they just crop in post-processing. The reason why they do that is to get the full function out of the camera. When you do APS-C, there's some function that degrades with the APS-C mode. So whatever that is, I haven't read up on it. Okay, so finished doing that one. I'm going to change it to auto APS-C, and then let's do a shoot. All right, and there you have it. And so guys, I just want to point out that you can buy an a7III and still use your old lenses. That's the key answer that I want to give to everyone, is that yes, it will work. You won't be able to use the full feature of the camera, which is a full frame sensor. It's going to let in a lot more light and things like that. You're not going to be able to take advantage of that. And so I suggest that you save some money to buy some good full frame lenses after you buy the a7III. Start selling off your APS-C lenses if you're gonna upgrade. All right guys, I hope you find that comparison helpful. I always wondered what it was like having a bunch of my lenses, which is crop sensor lens, on a full frame camera. So I would have to definitely think about upgrading the a7III if I have a bunch of APS-C lenses. Let me know what you think, and hit like if you like this video, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.